Yeah, how I think cultural approach help to strengthen the resilience of the local community in many ways. When we talk of culture, we can talk about the spirituality of the people, the worldview of the people. We can talk about the livelihood of the people, their pragmatic interaction, day-to-day interaction. We can talk about the knowledge and language of the people, and we can talk about the governance of the people, how they govern their environment. In terms of spirituality maintains the cohesiveness of the community. They are one, and also culturally they don't see nature as something to be exploited. It's an extension of themselves. So they see as nature as their part. So that's very much important for the resilience. Resilience needs a social cohesion, also a healthy relationship with their environment, as I understand it. So social cohesion is created by the worldview of the people, by the spirituality. And also resilience means having a diversity in what you are eating, what you are planting, and what you are taking from your environment. So that knowledge, the cultural knowledge associated with the diversity of the crops and the diversity of the plants is very much critical for that community. And culture gives them that. And they have to know that, knowledge is important and language is important, because the knowledge of the people is coded in their language. So if you lose their language, if they lose their knowledge, they lose their resilience, because they don't understand the relationship with their environment in that case. And governance is very much critical. People used to govern themselves, govern their relationship among themselves and also with their environment. That's what is ecology. So the ecological governance is very much critical for them, for resilience. When you break that governance system, when you break the spirituality of the community in the name of development or modernity and whatever, you can actually break the cohesiveness of the local community, and you will not have something that holds the community together in many ways. So that the breakup in the governance system will break their food system also. That's what we see. If you go to a community where the cultural system has weakened, then you see the impact on the environment also. And you see that impact when something comes to them. When an environmental shock or a social shock comes to them, the ability of their resistance depends on the cultural cohesive strength of the community. Very much. That's the reality in local communities. So if they are culturally strong, if they are spiritually strong, if they know what their environment, then they are resilient. If that disappears, then they are vulnerable to outside manipulation, to outside forces.